the truth. You know the price that was paid. So stop introducing yourself with promises. Stop introducing yourself with excuses. Stop introducing yourself with potential. Introduce yourself with relentless effort. Introduce yourself with unwavering discipline. Introduce yourself with undeniable results. Let your work become your signature. Let your consistency become your reputation. Let your growth become your identity. And let your success become so loud that it speaks long before you ever have to say a single word. There comes a point in your life when you have to stop waiting for someone else to give you permission to become who you were created to be. Too many people spend years standing at the starting line, not because they lack talent, not because they lack opportunity, but because they're waiting for someone to approve their dreams. They wait for family to understand them. They wait for friends to support them. They wait for the perfect mentor, the perfect circumstances, the perfect timing. But while they're waiting, life keeps moving. Opportunities keep passing and potential keeps fading. Stop waiting. The life you want begins the moment you decide you no longer need anyone else's permission to pursue it. Understand this, nobody can live your purpose for you. Nobody can carry your responsibility. Nobody can fight your battles. People may encourage you, they may discourage you, they may believe in you or doubt you, but at the end of the day, you are the one who has to wake up and face the person in the mirror. You are the one who must choose whether today will be another day of excuses or another day of progress. Freedom begins when you stop placing the keys to your future in someone else's hands. Too many dreams have died because people cared more about being accepted than being authentic. They stayed small because they were afraid of criticism. They remained silent because they feared being judged. They followed crowds they never wanted to follow simply because standing alone felt uncomfortable. But greatness has never been created by people who constantly look over their shoulders for approval. Greatness belongs to those who have the courage to walk a path that others don't understand. There will always be people who question your vision because they cannot see what you see. That's normal. Your dream was placed inside your heart, not theirs. They don't have to understand your mission for your mission to matter. They don't have to believe in your future for your future to become reality. Stop trying to convince people who have already decided not to believe. Take that same energy and invest it into becoming stronger, wiser, and more disciplined than you were yesterday. You have to become comfortable walking alone before you can lead others. Loneliness is not over.
Well. We're back, everybody. Good morning. Turn my audio down. Jesus. I'm like, sounds like I'm in a club right now on my end. Well, good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are ready to print this morning because it's Friday. Full port Fridays for the Legacy fam in here today. We're not full porting, but we're waiting for our plans. We're waiting for our strategies to present themselves so we can execute. Because the name of the game is patience. And your boy's going to be patient today because I'm shooting for another payout. I took a payout yesterday on one of my daily funded accounts from Lucid and felt pretty cool knowing that whatever I made yesterday, I could take out right away on one of the accounts. I'm doing the same thing today. And I'm excited because if I make a couple $1,000s in one of my Lucid daily accounts, I can take a couple $1,000s out today. So we're just going to wait to see. Hopefully you guys are prepared for today. We got news at 10 o'clock today. We're sitting back. The TV got fixed yesterday. Your boy is happy. Oh man, what a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. What we got going on. Alrighty. Good morning, Amon, Daz, Stuart, Sean. Good morning, everybody. Thing's still blasting. Turn on more. That's better. What's up, Dwight? Good morning, sir. Hopefully all you guys are dialed for today. Hey, let's go. Love to hear that, Dez. Yeah, got my TV. They came out, they fixed it. Sam TV's under warranty. And the guy's like, oh yeah, we had to fix these a lot. I'm like, that's horrible. That's showing lack of quality products. You know what I'm saying? That they have to fix them a lot. They had changed out the whole motherboard of my TV. They did it for free because it's under warranty, but still, who wants to go through that hassle, that process? You know what I'm saying? Alrighty. I'm waiting for 925, 925. I'm going to give you where all the stats are of the market. And we're going to keep it rolling. All right, that's looking good. Alrighty. What's going on over here? Okay, there we go. I thought my Rinkos froze. I thought I was getting ready to have to reconnect because those Rinkos are barely freaking moving right now. So must be low price action so far. Does anyone have anything fun they're doing over the weekend? If so, throw in the chat. If you do anything fun this weekend. For me, I'm sitting back, relaxing. I'll probably pack my bags for Mexico tonight. And I'll just be sitting, looking out my window, knowing that, okay, couple more days, we're in Mexico. That's it for me. It's gonna be a good old time. What's up, Noah? Good morning. Legacy fan, make sure you loaded your printers up this morning with extra ink, extra paper, because today we're going to print. Can't wait to see the vlog from Mexico. Amon, have you seen the other vlogs from Mexico on the channel? Because I posted I probably have like 4 or 5 vlogs from Mexico. If you haven't already seen them, bro, check it out. No, just I actually gotta finish the Portugal edit. You guys should enjoy that one as well. Actually, I'll probably work on that this weekend. On the channel though, there's all my Mexico trips. So February, then the trips from late last year as well are all posted on the channel. Check it out. It's a good old vibe. One of them actually got like over like 2,000 views or something like that. Pretty crazy. All right, it's 9:25. Let me give you where the stats, everything like that for the market right now. So the VWAP is below the close from yesterday. Barely. VWAP 634.50, 634.50. The close from yesterday, 635.25, 635.25 there. In our 2-minute 21 EMA sitting at 650, 75, 650, 75 there for the 21 EMA. Honestly, we have this pivot point down here, right? At 601.75. And just looking at the overnight session here for the London from around 2 a.m. all the way till what time's that? 8:06. The market was just going sideways above that pivot. So if we come back down to that pivot, I hope we don't chop or go sideways at that point. But we're just gonna have to wait to see what we get here. But we're dialed and ready. What's up, Trades with Gia? Good freaking morning. Hopefully you're ready to execute in these crazy old markets here, because your boy is. I'm ready to freaking print this morning. I've been waiting for this thing since the hangout last night. We got less than 3 minutes, and market's going to be open. I'm waiting, anticipating, because today I'm trading my daily accounts first. Whatever I kill, I eat. So I'll take a payout immediately today on whatever I make on the account. So if it's $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, we taking it. We're gonna have to wait and see. What's up, Akira? Tune in from Belgium. That's how you know these streams are global. Got people in here from Belgium, Australia for Daz. We got people in from everywhere. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit the like button on the YouTube streams. We're on the horizontal and the vertical stream. So pick your poison. I got you. Make sure you hit that like button though, because the more you like the stream, the more YouTube pushes these streams out to people just like yourself. Quality traders that want to win the markets each and every day to secure their freedom. With that being said, we got less than 2 minutes now for market open. I'm being patient today because it's a green week already. You know what I'm saying? So we're taking our time. We do have news at 10. And we'll see how that moves the markets. And hopefully I can trade my accounts before 10. So that way I don't have to even think about the news at 10. But we'll see what we get. Let's see here. Okie dokie, abachoki. I'm excited. My new drone comes in today. I bought it yesterday. Comes in today. I got, you know, play with it like a little kid when it gets in. I'll probably use it like for my intros moving forward. For the vlogs and stuff, it's going to be a massive like drone shot. And it's going to like be on me, and then it's going to expand up and out backwards. I think that'd be really solid for the intros for all the vlogs moving forward. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Drop my little fidget weight. All right, we got market open here coming up in less than 10 seconds, coming up on 10 seconds here. We're right at the above the VWAP and above the close from yesterday as well. So let's see what happens here. Patience, patience, patience. Don't just jump in, just jump in. All right. Market is open here. All right, just right through that pivot right there that I called out. Oh, that's 601.75, 601.75. This is where I don't want to see us like consolidate and start chopping around this area.
We've been chopping for 7 weeks, man.
What's up, Steve? Good morning, sir.
What's up?
Another day in paradise, brother. We here.
Yeah. What are you doing over the weekend? And don't say nothing.
I'm chilling. I'll probably fly my new drone that I bought yesterday. Test it out, get prepped for Mexico. So on the next vlog for Mexico, we're gonna have aerial shots, everything like that. I have a drone, but it's like one of the first DJI minis that came out. Yeah. So I had up it. You know what I'm saying? I just, you know what I'm saying? I had up it.
You're using it for content, so you don't want to have it all wanky. Like, okay.
Yeah, not trying to have anything wanky.
So anyway, while we're watching this thing open, I got a drone story.
Let's
I know
go.
Everybody wants to hear it. So anyway, in my neighborhood, there's like one road that goes out, and they switched the speed limit because some jerk off northerner asshole moved in and was saying people were going too fast. So it was 35 miles an hour, and they put it down to 25, and then they moved it up to 30 because we complained. Well, the sheriff sits down there trying to hit people for 35.
Yeah,
so it's totally unfair. So our community board, people like call out if the sheriff is there, and I finally figured out what house it was. So I went to Google Earth or Google Maps, and I canted it over so it looked like a drone shot, not unintentionally, and took a picture and said, "That's where the idiot lives that's calling the police," like calling them out, doxing them, right? And so somebody's like, "I cannot believe that you flew a drone against law enforcement." And everybody's like, so everybody thinks I have like a drone, and it's like a mile from my house. So they think I got like a military drone, like takes off, goes over there, takes the picture. But I'm not gonna correct them because it's better that way. So,
yeah, let them think you just that guy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I say it. You know, I'd say I got 3 kinds of surveillance on my house and the drone. So it's just like, yep, you're right.
Yeah, there's sometimes it's better not to correct them. You know what I'm saying? It's
Oh
like,
yeah, and people are some people are so mad. These little betas are getting mad at me. It's just like, and they're like making sniveling comments. I'm like, no, listen, Jack.
that's funny because like one not this year when we went to Europe, last year when we went to Europe, I was flying with my drone and Brenda's sister's neighbor behind, like Brenda's sister has a decent sized property, like
Yeah.
probably a couple acres. And I'm
Mhm.
flying the drone. The neighbor behind, I guess, saw the drone up in the air, called Brenda's sister, hey, is that your drone flying over your property? Please if it isn't, like, it's kind of scary, but if it is, please make sure you're not like recording me in my bathing suit by my pool right now. It's like, what? No one's even over in that direction, lady. Like, calm down.
Like it's got like super like Cyclops technology that zooms like 1,000%. Oh well.
I did, Steve, yesterday actually take a payout on my daily payout account.
Nice.
It was my smallest payout I've ever taken, but
No, but you know what? Like I said, I know I've talked it to death, but I think like you put those in a spreadsheet because you might find it might be your smallest payout sometimes, normal payout sometimes, but over like the course of 2 weeks, are you pulling more money that way?
yeah.
You know, so I mean, I think it's and then you have the other one, so it's like you can can experiment with that because
I'm excited to experiment with it because I'm like, okay, cool. Like today on that same account, if I put in like $600 or more, I'll pull it out right away.
Yeah,
and
totally.
I'll do that each and every day on the daily payout accounts, and that makes it also where I'm more able to build my select accounts and my flex accounts with Tradeify and Lucid for the bigger max payout.
Absolutely.
You know,
I also gotta say something. It's like I'm not against all Northerners. It's just when they bring that attitude, like, no, this ain't Connecticut, man. It ain't gonna fly here. Nothing against Connecticut either, but it just like don't Connecticut try to take over our neighborhood and start complaining. Somebody actually said that we should start an HOA. I'm like,
oh boy,
are you fucking high?
Oh boy, I
like,
prefer no HOAs personally.
No, I mean, I'm like, there's no way in hell or God's green earth at the same time that I get lick the boot of that crap.
Yeah. Let me be patient. Waiting for the A+ setup to present itself.
This lately, it's just been brutal. I mean,
we're back below that pivot. Give me my flushy flush. Come on, Betsy. Oh, you playing with me? I've been patient with you.
I've been patient with you. Let's go.
Killed it there. We just pushed right through that VWAP and the 21 EMA. So I killed that one. Oh well. And this thing looks like it's going to keep on running. Now I have to decide, do I want to clean this account up a little bit or just rotate and wait? Decisions. got faked out there. I thought we were going to, since we got back below that 601 level, I thought we were going to push back down. We did not. So, oh well.
Hey, Duane, are you getting like if you ever go on social media, you're seeing the local sphere from the government saying, no, don't vote yes on 3.
I honestly don't watch TV, so.
Well, no, it's on my social media.
Oh no, I haven't seen that on my social.
The fat pigs of the county government, let's want to, like, last time that homestead exemption was changed was 2008, and think how much prices have gone up, and they're like crying foul if, you know, you can claim more than 50K on your house.
We got news today, 10 o'clock news. Back to this. Rotate. This thing's still pushing.
Let me get in a trade and it'll falter. And lately it's been crap. Well, it's not been behaving very well. Let me just put it that way.
Let us know when you jump in so we know when to go opposite. If it's not trying to fade you a day.
Me both, brother. Mutual respect there. No.
Oh, 100%.
Duane put a line. Okay, that's gonna be our resistance. It's not on my chart. Well, don't worry. It's on his chart. So look at. No, I'm just kidding.
It's on his chart.
Oh shit, I jumped into a trade a minute ago and I realized I'm on MES right now because it's my overnight session. So there you go. Like, why is the numbers in the movie? Oh. MES is fine if you're, you know, doing certain things. I'm not complaining about it at all, but I don't want a momentum trade on that. That'd be like deep, like forever. I've been holding this trade for 25 minutes.
I'm in right now, and this thing's still running here.
I know.
I'll take that quick 460 on that account.
That's awesome. But the thing is, with me, I ended up going in early on that MES, and I canceled because of, you know, so it's like I missed this run up. But maybe I'll can I catch the next one, Duane?
Yeah. It looks like we're going to go up and take out the overnight high. That's what I'm thinking we're going to do, 707. Once we tag that 707, I have a feeling we may reject. Because we took out the low for the night, for the overnight session, and now we're going for the high. We're going to have a nice little range for the day, though, I'll tell you that.
Gonna break through that whole number or what?
Come on, Betsy, you know what to do.
If it builds a flag, Duane might take it.
If it builds a flag, I will take it.
Well, I don't know about you lately. It's just like if it's like 3 on a Tuesday, he's in a trade.
3 on a Tuesday. No, we're going to. It looks like it wants to take out that overnight high. All right, let's see if we build us a little flag here. See if we get some flag action. Are we going to pull back a little bit more before it tries pushing here? I'm not trying to front run this. I do want to see the momentum step in just like so.
Today, I mean, this thing is just like, this bounce is like, I'm so sick of it. I mean, it's like I'm making it, but it's work. It's like fucking doing data entry.
That's not good. Not data entry. Yeah, we should be getting ready. Oh, I thought we were getting ready to pop right through my yellow line there. Watch my wrinkles here. Not liking how they're looking right now. Slightly consolidating right there. We do have the buying wicks. We do have these buying wicks, but I don't like that big old selling wick on the 5. Let's see if we can break through it here. Want that overnight high. I killed that. Not liking that pullback. And of course, it's using my entry as some slight resistance.
Yeah, that MACD setting, it crossed, so it's judging this, it might make a run to the EMA. We'll see, though. It's not far enough where I could conclusively say it's still in the positive, but it's breaking.
Take me all the way, Betsy. Come on now. Clean that up a little bit more right there. Not liking how slow it is. We just popped out of the high of the 15-minute range as well. Just came right back down into the range. So we just recorrelated. The high of the range, 701.75, 701.75. That big old whole number right there. Whoa. Thank God I got out of that. What a rejection right there. Holy moly.
A retracement?
See, I don't like stuff like that right there.
He doesn't like it because he loves it, ladies and gentlemen.
No. I don't love that. I do not love that. Because doing something like that makes me think we're getting ready to drop. Let's see how we react once we get to that 21 EMA. There we go. Just tagged it. 651. You didn't take your profit, Maxwell? We got news in 10 minutes. News in 10 minutes here. Not liking that pop back up right there. We went right through the VWAP and the close from yesterday, popped right back up there. Let's see once we get below that VWAP in the middle of that 15-minute range, if we could continue lower here.
Is the news like real news, or is it like Sam's having a garage sale?
The Fed's going to be talking at 10. So he may move the markets a little bit. Not sure what he's going to be talking about.
Booty whack 'em, smack 'em.
Booty whack 'em, smack 'em. All right, so the middle of the 15-minute range is 632.25, 632.25. So we're right above that.
I want to wait out of this area because it's getting that buoyancy crap. You jump in and it'll probably take your ass out. So Duane jumps in. Good job.
Thank you.
And he kills it. I love when you're in at the middle because something that.
Well, It looked like we were getting ready to
nothing.
flush through it. That's why I jumped in.
We don't diddle in the middle. Okay, so you're showing us again what the structure of the flag looks like on the Renko bar. So
You know, I'm trying to show you guys. I'm trying to show you guys. That was my whole intention with this trade, actually. This is a learning experience for you guys to wait for your setup to set up to execute.
Yeah, so we would wait and jump in just a little bit after, so it's a little bit heavier, and then we're gonna see the culmination of all this hard work. Let's go. Let's rip it.
I need to stop pre-running on some of these.
It's like these days it's ballsy to free run because it's like a rubber ball. It just bounces everywhere.
Yeah. My flushy flush. We're below the VWAP, but I want us to flush right through it here. Go test the low of the range. That's what I want, but we got news in 5 minutes as well. News in 5 minutes.
Actually, that's 4 minutes, hombre. I was just
4 minutes. 4 minutes. I stand corrected. Oh yes. Come on.
3 minutes 45 seconds. On the 1 minute and the 2 minutes.
All right, baby, love you.
Listen, leave that out of it and stop talking to the charts.
I'm getting ready to kill this because we got the guy for the news getting ready to come out soon.
The guy with the news. This is like, you know, I mean, we're like
the guy with the news. I killed it. This thing's, and now that I close, watch this thing just flush.
Well, you still have a mouse and you still have a finger, I think.
I do have a finger.
Hey, not that one. Don't point that at me.
Breaking news. We got news coming in less than 2 minutes now. Coming up on 2 minutes here for the 10 o'clock news. Fed is talking at 10. So I'm not trying to sit in a trade while he's talking either. So.
Yeah, but if they're talking, you never know because they could be 15 minutes of nothing and then they'll say something, and it's like, whoa.
Woo!
Here we go.
Yeah, like we're just building a textbook bear flag right here. Lots of structure. And move that doodle down just slightly. We get down to that yellow line with follow through. I'll take it. Maxwell, I'm not sure how long the Fed's going to be talking. I know the Fed's talking at 10.
What's going on?
Hey, what's up, BP?
I hope that's BP and not some random person from a horror movie.
From a horror movie.
Yeah,
What is going on?
I thought it'd be funny. Give you a little jump.
No one's jumping. We know your voice, bro.
Well, no, but it was great because it was kind of like the way it comes through the speaker on the iPad is like, oh.
That'd be funny.
30 seconds for the 10 o'clock news. 30 seconds for the 10 o'clock news here.
Yeah, I was going to give the 15-second warning on that because but I don't feel like it's not going to be top of the hour stuff. Did you have it playing somewhere that you can see? Sometimes I don't even walk out on time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I have my TV.
You spent extra for the Fed channel.
There's the 10 o'clock news.
That started happening right before 10.
I think he's dancing on stage, if that's the case. Okay, well, let's scale down. I'm not going to trade 5 contracts right now.
Yeah, would not recommend that, but what an indecisive candle right there. We got the bottom wick, we had top wick, now we're shooting up. This is why we do not trade 10 o'clock news.
Well, you know, it'd be nice, and it's like asking for the world right now, is if we could kindly get the F out of this zone that we've been in for like, it's like a relationship rut with this part of the chart. Like, I'd like to not see 29.6 for a while.
Let's see. We push up, we just tagged the overnight high.
What did you just post? Did you just post right now?
Huh?
Oh, you have the auto posting. That's why. Well, you could be doing it.
I could. Now we got a little selling wick on this candle. Yeah, this is a hands-off area right now. The Fed is now talking.
NQ popped up and took those highs too.
And now it's going to come back and sit in the zone. Like a dog, and it returns to its vomit. Come on.
Back for blood, 100%.
We've had 3 straight up super strong rejections at like 29,707.
I'm not touching this until we get below the middle of the 15-minute range for a short. I'm not getting caught. Because look, oh yeah, this is about, I want to say dumb, but I'm not sure. I'm holding and waiting.
Holding and waiting.
Even if it seems like it's gonna dump, I think we should watch out just in case it wants to do some kind of data candle play.
I closed out right when a BP said, just be careful for the, I'm like, yep, I'm getting out. BP sending warnings, let me stop.
I think because of this news candle, we really won't have confirmation of which way the market wants to go until we get like a solid candle closure. For NQ, it's going to take more than just a candle closure below the news candle, because we have to go down to 29,562 to recorrelate, because that's exactly where the news candle on ES ended up sweeping out.
Okay.
Like, I'd like NQ just to get below at least 605 to clear that one wick. There we go. Now we're popping back up.
We just tapped the data candle low. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully we just flush through it. That'll give a better sign.
And then but right below it, we do have that whole number.
Clean this account up some more. Let's see if I can get this thing back to green. Let's see, we build us a little bear flag down here. Take us lower. We got a pivot on trading view. That's 601. That's slightly dangerous. 601.75.
I marked it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I want to stay below the middle of the 15-minute range, which we just tagged.
Look at that 5-minute candle, man. That's kind of disgusting.
100%.
Yeah, that's that news candle wick.
Or like BP likes to say, because he knows karate, a bow staff candle.
He knows karate.
Oh, stuff.
Let's see.
Also looks like a sword with a hilt.
Yeah, see, you know, he has that. He's also thinking of like a Viking sword.
This thing may possibly consolidate a little bit since the Fed is talking. So the market may be very sporadic, I'll say.
Well, the thing is all you got, if he says something about like raise a rate, we're going to go crazy, or lowering a rate.
I do think that 562.5 is upon us. It might be coming.
Let's try.
Yes, it looks like it's trying to recorrelate its news candle. Right now it's made like 3 equal lows, so just one. Oh, there it goes. Never mind. We have taken that news candle, so we might see some action. Here's coming for that 562.
All right, brought this account back to green. We'll take that. We got the low of the 15-minute range approaching as well, 562.75.
We did not end up hitting the 562. We pulled back right before tagging it.
I see it. I was in that trade and I stopped it, but
we got a pivot point on Ninja Trader 581.67. I'm targeting the low of the 15-minute range right now. That's what I'm trying to target here.
Will you stop getting in trades? You're holding it up.
My bad, folks.
Are you trying to go long, Dwayne?
No, I'm trying to take a short. I took a short here. We should be going down. Swipe the low. This 15-minute range.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. We just took that 562.
There's too much damn buoyancy down here.
Wait, how did I only get $50? I'm so freaking confused. I thought I closed at 100 something, but okay, $50. Woohoo! Green is green. Green is green. We did just pop out of the low of the 15-minute range. Now we're pumping back up slightly. Right back to that 601 pivot.
I wonder if this counts as a rejection since we didn't get a candle closure below the 562.
I'm watching it on my MACD and it's just intersecting right now, so it's too close to call.
Let me clean this account up a little bit. Yeah, on that last trade, Maxwell, that was a $50 made.
I saw earlier. I don't know. I was able to pop by and Maxwell's traded some micros that got like closed green, like 50.
Look at that buying wick. Eesh.
Look, I'm tired of it. ABP, how's ES looking? Let's see.
Right now, honestly, trying to get a big picture of it. It's just the charts look kind of weird because the last 4 sessions have all been within each other almost.
Yeah,
exactly.
that's what I was saying. I'm just so sick of it. Just it feels like it's like we're playing like a replay on a sim or something.
Right, just going up and down. But yeah, because if we're looking at this chart, technically our previous London session took Asia low already, but then on ES the London session didn't take Asia low, so maybe this could be a recorrelation for ES to try to take Asia low, a possibility. If it does, then I think that would lead to NQ probably taking the PM low from Thursday.
Let's do it. Are you setting up any of your madness VP yet?
What
for trades?
What is this? How did I just make $55, bro? I'm closing like at 200, made 55. That's
hey, wait. Verde is Verde, driver.
I was gonna say I technically already finished trading.
How did you already finish?
I took longs. Basically, I kind of was trading by myself for a little bit while I was trying to just wake up.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, we didn't want to trade with you anyways. It's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dwayne.
I hope that you guys get in a room again. That was really nice when you were, talking about stuff.
Man, C wants us to get in a room and he's going to say, I've been patient with you.
No, none of that. No, when you were talking about trading stuff, you monster.
All right, we got a pivot point below us here at 495.50, 495.50.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, we already took that PM low from Thursday just now. Oh, that was funny. That happened so quick. Yeah, I was like, we were just like 80 points higher, like I feel like a few minutes ago, I swear. And then like within those few minutes, it already took out the Thursday low. Or not Thursday low, but Thursday PM low. The AM low is down here at like 424. That'd be a crazy drop from here. We're halfway down to Asia low on ES. Oh, it's getting some strong action actually.
We're still creeping down here.
ES just took that Asia low. I literally like looked away for a second. It like popped down. I guess we just got to watch out for these next few candles, because I don't know, it could, depending on how they react, could signify maybe we're going to get a pop based off the Asia low liquidity.
I'm not liking.
What I'm thinking the line in the sand might be considered would be, I think, 558. If we get like a candle closure above it, then I think I'd kill. But if it just rejects, then I think I'd probably be looking for like your bear flag.
Yeah. I feel like we're getting ready to go back up to that 15-minute range possibly here. Let's see what we get.
I mean, yeah, it's possible because it could use the liquidity based off of ES sweeping Asia. We're looking for, if for longs, maybe that candle closure above that 5. I think it's 556. Kind of fighting right here. Might get one more tag back down and then maybe another pop back up.
And then it does it. Crash. Got a little bit of selling pressure, very little. And we're getting ready to clear that selling pressure out. There we go. Just cleared it.
Should have marked out my 15. I did not today.
So clean that up. Wait for the next move. We tagged the 21 EMA and that 601 pivot. Again, we're back in that 600s where Steve does not want to be. I'll tell you that.
You did say that.
What's up, Anthony? Good morning, sir.
Where's Anthony?
That's Fuss. The Anthony that's in the chat, that's Fuss.
How about?
And of course, I will get the blue line, then tagged in.
ES just tapped into the bottom of its 15-minute. I guess in theory, technically ES would be strongest for longs, but we'll see how the reaction goes. Did we just tag that VWAP?
No, we may have actually. I'm in the trade. I can't look. I got the blue line and then I got filled. So
I think we're back at that VWAP line right now. We're popping through it, I think. Yo, those crazy longs.
I don't only make 80. That's crazy. This is starting. The market's trying to play with me a day. The market's trying to play with me a day. We're right at the VWAP, right at the VWAP. There's the middle of the 15-minute range. Sitting right at the middle of the 15-minute range now. I want to see us get above the middle of the 15-minute range in that close from yesterday 635.25. If we could get above all of that, I may look for take another long here.
It's popping up. They might want that news candle high, honestly, with the way the momentum's going.
Hey, Duane, after blowing a couple of accounts, I went back yesterday and I studied and I say I won't overtrade. I did overtrade. I already got my $700 for my TPT Evo. I'm out, my man.
Yeah, run, bro, run.
Hell yeah, brother. W Green Day.
Thank you, guys.
No, good job, bro.
Good job, man. Where the heck did Steve go? He was just here.
He dips like that sometimes when his wife comes in or something.
Fair enough. He's got his priorities straight.
All right, 465. That makes me feel better. That makes me feel a little bit better there. But I'm like, dang, I want to add like another, like $600, make this one $1,000 account, because if I do that, I'll take a 2K payout on it. Mm.
He's gonna take this shit. Oh man.
What do I do? What do I do? Drink water, Duane. Stay hydrated.
There's a little bit of manipulation for bearish that's happening right now. ES was not able to mitigate up to 7,752, and the equivalent for NQ is 29,661. So we did take it on NQ, but not on ES.
I'll wait. I'm gonna wait because we have that crazy selling wick. Right back to the wow.
ES is halfway down this range that we've made. ES is experiencing some buying pressure though, so it's kind of a good sign. Could be maybe like a lead to your bull flag.
Yeah, I'm just not. I don't like the wick on that previous candle on the 2 minute for the selling wick. Yeah, I don't like this buying wick right now because it's like, okay, what it doesn't know what direction it wants to go yet.
Yeah, no, I definitely agree with that statement, just because we technically do have bearish on top and bullish on bottom, just because we've mitigated all the way down to 29,589. That's the equivalent for NQ. And so we're either going to tank down to that low to recorrelate, or we're going to be experiencing bullish manipulation and probably pop up to take the news high and take out that bearish manipulation as well.
I want to see some good momentum. That's what I need right now. For me to take another trade on this account, I need to see some good momentum. Bro, so I may just grab some evals and trade those for the rest of the session because I'm done with my funded accounts if we don't get the momentum I'm looking for. Because I could come back on Monday, put another $400, $600 in for the 2K payout. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's, I'm not rushing it. Right through the 21 EMA, coming down to that 601 pivot. Yeah, this is all over the place right now.
What did I say? 589?
That's what you want? You want 589?
No. I was saying 589 is that recorrelation play.
Okay.
But with the way things are looking, NQ is definitely, more bullish. So I'll just keep that in mind as well. We're just kind of waiting to see if we're gonna mitigate these candles or if we're gonna pop.
It looks like it's trying to do a little bull flag right there on the 2, but I'm not trusting because of the selling pressure.
Yeah, honestly, if you were to take longs, it would just have to be like up into the top part of this like candlestick here at 1022, because I think that's basically what we're looking at is where the our smart money order block would be for shorts.
Yeah.
We haven't confirmed a bullish one yet, so I would still say that the bearish side is still winning for now. Even though we have bullish manipulation, it hasn't confirmed itself.
Yeah.
ES is pushing lower.
We're sitting right on the 21 EMA, so tonight we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading, talking life. So come hang out with us fireside. It's gonna be a good old time. It's the freaking weekend, boys. So we're gonna be chilling. But I see the potential bull flag on the 2, but I'm not trusting it.
Yeah, it might be some back and forth actions, steps, like a stair step to the downside until we start recorrelating, and then I don't know.
Okay.
But I don't think we have any bullish confirmation yet.
Another $1,000 day. But I did get stopped out on one of my funded accounts today.
I think if this candle closes green, it might be trying to confirm.
I ask the same old questions till the answers lost their shape.
But oh, you're in a long right now. Okay.
Yeah, I'm in a long.
Okay, yeah. What you're looking for is to clear out the high now, because it's basically tapped back into that prior area, which was that 1022 candle. So like that range would sit from 641 to 676. So you're looking for the clear, and then maybe the news candle pop, or a good scalp if you feel like we get close to the top, but we're gonna reject. We're halfway into it. Maybe it's building structure for a little mini flag. Hopefully, it'll pop up on the next one. So right now, I think I'm looking at 638 to be the top of where the confirmation was. So right now, it's been tapping on top of it, but we haven't really been trying to flush back into it. So I'm hoping for the pop.
I'm expecting a big pop here. And as soon as I said that, it wanted to come right back down. Unacceptable.
I hate to say it, but I don't know. You might want to just kill it to be safe. I don't like the way it's chopping right here.
BP saying kill it.
It's probably gonna go, but I just my gut feeling's telling me that it's too wonky. Play it safe.
I feel that. The cap is saying play it safe. Okay, if I get this, when this goes back to green, I'll probably kill it.
I mean, I hate to say it, but it could pop, but I don't know. Prove me wrong. Let's go to the moon, man. ES just did a recorrelation play. That's kind of a good sign. Hopefully it'll keep pushing up. We're pushing up to the high of that candle. See if we clear it. We're looking for, let's see, what is this? 676. And then the news candle high is at 707. That's the high, and then we're looking close. We're in between the that high where that previous, I guess, manipulation was.
I killed it there. I'll take the green. We'll
That's
take the
amazing.
green. It's
W
okay.
trade.
I may re-enter.
It was the confirmation, man. Yeah, we got that green candle. I was like, if this closes green, hopefully we'll just go up.
Never quite explain. Then I learn what truly holds me. Doesn't have to have a name. I believe that being closer meant I had to cross some line. But the more I tried to reach it, the more it slipped outside my mind. Then the softer truth came through me. Something simple, something.
What's up, Eddie?
What I long to find beyond me have been quietly living here. No arrival, no departure, no beginning I could trace. Only something deep and certain that I carried as a grace. No distance.
Are you going for the 707?
I was, but I don't like that little reaction right there. I'm willing to risk $200 right here.
You think it's gonna try building a bull flag and then pop into 707? I know you want the delivery now, though.
Yeah, I want the delivery now, bro.
It's so close. Come on, market makers, just pop that shit. The only thing I don't like is
I don't like that little move the Rinkos just did right there. Let's see if the Bulls push it here. If they don't, I'll get ready to kill this.
NQ is taken up to the 1001 candle, and ES is just slightly below there. So we're looking for, if ES can pop up to there, then I think that NQ will take the 707 high. Come on, ES, recorrelate that high and then give NQ its TP.
Give me the high of the 15. That's what I'm looking for. I want the high of the 15-minute range.
We're so close. We're like 14 points away. Oh, you just want the high of the 15? Isn't that
Yeah,
right?
I just want the high of the 15 right now.
That's at like 701. So we just tagged it. Oh, there's also 707. We're at 711. ES did not end up recorrelating, but we did still get the pop.
I stopped
You're back at the 15-minute high.
Yeah, I closed out. I closed out there.
Hell yeah. W trade.
You know, we're trying, BP. We're trying, bro. We're trying, man.
That was a really good trade.
Just trying to be like you, bro. That's it. Just be like you. I need $150 on this. All right. We're gonna try it for $150 on this account. Motion. We're printing, bro, like usual. Up over $1,000 in my funded accounts. We're chilling. Honestly, just chilling.
Today was my best trading day this week.
That's good.
It's just unfortunate because it's in an eval that is like somewhat cooked already, so it's like it's a good day, but it's like damn, it just sucks. And then on my funded account, which was good, which is actually the biggest day I've ever done on that funded account, which is nice. Just bringing it back up from that one day where I cooked my funded account too. But hey,
there we go.
Green Day's a green day.
There we go. Just added another funded account right there, so we'll take that.
W's.
Did you know? Yeah, we did. So I'm officially fully funded with Lucid, 5 funded accounts.
Fully allocated. Let's go.
Let me make sure that's correct. Let's see. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Oh, actually, no. I stand corrected. I need one more account. I thought I had 5. That's weird. Well, looks like I need to add myself another account. But this will make 4 daily payout accounts with Lucid.
Oh, that's fire. Are you gonna do like half and half, or you just do like half of them like the way you normally do it, and then like the other half are gonna be like daily accounts?
I'm not sure yet. I'm honestly not sure how I want to play it. But at this point, your boy's chilling. Honestly, I'll probably have like one account that I'm trying to do like the daily each and every day, because like the one I got stopped out on was the one I took the payout from yesterday. So I did get stopped out on one of my Lucid accounts today for the 1,200 max loss on it for the day. So I got stopped out. So I'll have to trade it back next week, bring it back up. But my other 2, I need like $600 to get over the buffer. And then I'm just going to play it by ear right now. But I can take, let me see how much I could take from my Tradeify account today, because I could do a pay on that one. I could take $1,700 right now in a payout from Tradeify. I'm not going to. I'm gonna roll it over till next week, keep printing, so I could just keep building that account. So my goal is to just build my 150K account up to like 10 grand, take a max 5K payout on that one, and use my daily accounts with Lucid to just keep stacking. Actually add myself another Tradeify account. All right. I feel like Tradeify is feeling neglected. I may need to add like one more Tradeify account so they feel like appreciated. I've been spending a lot of time with Lucid these days. Disconnect.
I used to turn
Reconnect.
feeling
DP, have you been taking payouts or just building accounts?
Just building accounts.
Okay.
understand.
This thing's popping. Let me try jumping in.
It's running.
It's trying to run
Yes.
from us, boys.
ES just took that news
Jeez,
candle high.
look at that pop.
I think ES is. Wait, no, let me check. Yep, ES is at all-time highs again. Oh wait, no, it's not. I'm tripping.
Learn the shape of silence. Learn the places I would close. Every time I tried to lose it, it only followed where I'd go. So I stopped running from the feeling. Stop demanding it be gone. In the moment I could face it.
We do have a target all the way up there.
I did not need to be fearless. I did not need to feel no pain. I only had to stop resisting. What was asking me to change? Let it rise, let it pass. Nothing held can never last. When fear becomes freedom, I don't fight what I feel. I let the weight move through me till the deeper part is still. When fear becomes freedom, I don't need to run. What once held me in its shadow can no longer make me small.
What's that button?
I learned courage is not thunder. It can breathe without a sound. It can live inside surrender. It can grow when gods come down. No, no victory, no, no resistance, no, no need to conquer. I know only space enough.
I think this was a very good session.
It's been solid. It has been solid today.
Even though it seems choppy, I was able to at least read the market. I thought it was pretty good. I liked it.
Yeah, as long as you liked it, bro, I liked it.
Because we came down to Asia, and then we came down to like that Thursday low. It was crazy. And then we came right back up to London high, and then we're like literally we took all targets today. That's why it was such a good day.
Yeah.
Till the deeper part is still. When fear becomes freedom, I can finally understand. I was never meant to conquer it, only meet it as I am. I release, I remain, I release, I remain. What had a name? I release, I become. What was fear now carries name. I thought freedom meant no fear. Now I know it means I can feel it. And still
Come on, Betsy. Because we keep coming up. We're creeping up. I have a target all the way up here at 771. 771. Yeah, we could get it. Your boy ain't complaining.
I can carry in my own way. first we moved like strangers, each one keeping to his side, holding on to private worries, keeping everything inside. Then a rhythm crossed between us, and the distance lost its shape. One by one, the guarded faces started giving way to grace. No one asked who came from where. No one needed to explain. We just followed what was moving till the separate became shared. Come closer, let it go. Let the rhythm take control. When we move as one, the weight gets lighter. When we move as one, the feeling grows wider. No one disappears, no one has to change. We just leave a little room for each other in the same way.
It's just going.
I said that 777 level.
777, man. That's the good luck level.
Some were carrying on sadness, some were tired of being strong, but the rhythm asked for nothing, only that we move along. Every gesture became softer, every guarded look gave way.
Not close. I'll take the 565. Oh well.
Became something we could share.
Why you sound so disappointed? Green's green.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Not
I
gonna
feel
lie,
like we
you
are
took
going
a
to hit
trade.
that target, bro.
You're probably right.
That's
You probably will.
77125. I apologize. 77125. Oh,
Oh well, you almost hit it. It was like one tick away. Or like
I know. Like that's why I'm disappointed. You know what I'm saying? Like so close, but so far, all at the same time.
It is so close, but so far.
What do we carry? Less than
I'm thinking now that I have those daily accounts with Lucid, I'm thinking about running up and grabbing like 5 to 10 Apex accounts and copy trading them, because I was doing 2 contracts originally with, and since I sized down, I feel like I'm even more consistent than where I was with the 2 minis on my trades. So your boy's slightly tempted to just run it up and take a whole bag from APAC.
I think you could do it.
They owe me some money. You know what I'm saying? They owe me some money from last year denying $12,000 in payouts.
That's crazy work.
Probably stop freaking trading. Then Monday, I'll probably grab myself one more eval with Lucid to get that funded. So I'll be fully allocated with Lucid with 5 funded accounts with them. Since I'm only at 4, I thought I had 5. So, oh, freaking well with that.
I thought the glow had left me.
I should probably, I'm thinking about fasting this whole weekend because I'm gonna be eating so much next week. I'm like, should I fast this weekend, let the body relax, prepare for what's about to happen? Because I'm getting pizza from my room service with burgers. Listen, it's gonna be bad. Just know that.
Oh yeah, did you guys? What y'all? How was the stream last night? Because I was actually I was over at Pluckers getting endless freaking wings.
Ooh, that sounds good. The stream last night was good.
That's good. Yeah, I realized, and I was like, damn, I should tune in and then be like, what's good? But then I'm gonna be like, I'm like somewhat on a date, so maybe I should not.
Yeah, no, you should. Yeah, don't do that. Don't get in trouble, bro.
Yeah.
I can't believe we went out to dinner and you were just on your stream chatting.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. From a man to another man, don't do that. It ain't worth it, bro. It ain't worth it.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't.
Oh my God.
I was like, Dwayne will understand. Yo, good job, Tib. Great job, brother. Consistency. You know, 290 is perfect. You wanna know why? Because that's part of like that 10-day payout rule where it's like you do 10 days to pass and then 10 days to get the payout. So you keep it up, man. And even if you don't hit the full 300 a day, like don't even sweat it. You know, it's just about the building up, not necessarily like needing it like right now. Because haste makes waste and patience gets the payouts.
100%. And believe it or not, I'd rather have a 250, 290 day, 5 days a week, each and every week, than have a week where you make $1,000 in a day and then the rest of the week you make nothing. I'd rather keep it consistent each and every day, so that way you know what to expect by the end of the month, because you see what you're doing consistently each and every day. The payouts come from consistency, not lucky wins. And this thing's just been going up. Marky, I guess, like what the Fed was, little speech he did. I am not putting any funded accounts up in the markets again. They're done for the day.
They're on weekend time.
They are on weekend. Crazy. Yeah, I'm ready to chill. Watch my TV shows this weekend, just vibe up. We're going to come up here and hit this pivot. 80175, so freaking crazy.
Now that I'm actually looking at it, like, you know, past tense, whenever we were having that indecision of like, should we close or not?
Yeah.
Like, we did end up getting the confirmation for the bullish, and then it was just like tapping on it, and we weren't really like digging into it or like getting that closure. So I feel like moving forward, at least for myself, if I was going to be in that trade, I think if it's tagging it and stuff like that, I really wouldn't like freak out until like we're trying to like get the candle closure below. So
well,
that
you
really
got I stayed in. I made six.
No. I didn't take a trade. I've been. But I'm just saying in the future, like if I were to be in that, because I was trying to like psychologically like be in it with you as well, so I could try to like give like the best kind of information I could.
Yeah.
Just because if you don't like put your mindset into like you are also risking, then like you're less likely to like try to like find each detail that matters.
I was just looking for flags and momentum.
Oh yeah.
That's all I'm looking for. I don't care about nothing else. Flags and momentum.
there's definitely been a lot of momentum. We took the news candle and some.
And it's just been going up ever since. Well, everybody, I'm gonna be jumping out of here. I'm gonna go chillax before I have to hit the gym. So tonight, Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna be vibing, not trading, talking about trading and other things other than the market since it's the weekend. So I will catch y'all tonight. BP, appreciate you streaming with me this morning, bro. I know the people love having you on these streams, so thank you, sir, for being here with me.
Hey, well, thank you for having me. I'm always happy to be here and participate.
I'm glad.
Try to do our best to analyze these markets and print.
We're trying one day at a time.
Yeah, exactly.
Brick by brick, we build. There goes that 801.
Yeah, you did get your 777 if you would have held it, but it's all good.
Yeah, we're done. It's okay. Let it run. I want to put some of my funded on my note. Walk away. Up over $1,000 in the funded. Walk away.
Yeah, I'm up 300 in my funded, and I didn't want to touch it anymore.
This thing's just moving. The way it's moving too, like I honestly think today could be a day where we go up to the 30,000.
Yo, that would be crazy. Before end of day, hit 30K, come back on Monday. Wow. No, yeah, if you look at the chart, this is crazy.
Because our second target's above us right now. Before we get off stream here, 841.50. Well, 840.25 actually. That'd be my next target that I'm trying to hit, or target for the long. So, but I'm gone. Let me run so I don't trade. I will catch y'all tonight, family. Be blessed, everyone. BP, have a great day, bro.
Hey, have a good day, Duane. I think that's Fuss that's still here. You have a good day, Fuss. Thanks
Fuss, have a good one, brother.
Peace out, Legacy. We'll catch you later.